Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I will be making peanut butter whiskey banana pudding cake. That's a tongue twister, and I am sure it's as delicious as it sounds. While I was too young to be drinking, my first job at Kraft Heinz in Chicago, Illinois, while working in the mailroom, a coworker turned me on to this delicious recipe. The recipe and all the products you see here we use will be in the description below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Whee! Do us a huge favor, click that like button, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm ready to make this wonderful peanut butter whiskey banana pudding cake. Let's cook!